All right, team, let's get these ladders up on the west side first. Careful up there, watch that broken tile.
Look at the state of these pavers by the well. We also need scaffolding to reach the roof holes and those damaged shutters immediately.
We need to replace all these broken tiles here.
Yeah.
And these rafters are completely exposed. Look at the water damage on the chimney stack.
The measurements for these arched windows don't seem to match the plans. Let me see the elevation drawing that we may need to adjust the shutter installation.
Clear this section first. All right, I'll take this load around the well. Harder on the left side. Okay, got it. Clear the wheelbarrow. Careful, heavy. Coming down now. Yeah. All right, I got it. Pass the next one. Watch your hands on this side. All right, push it clear. Got it, lowering now. Heads up below.
Make sure that one is labeled clearly before we stack it.
Yeah, got it. Where does this batch go?
Just set them aside for now. We need more space up here.
Okay, it's coming loose. Clear the area below. Got it. Move those shutters. Look at the cracking here by the well base.
Yeah.
That masonry is definitely weak. I'm marking this section now.
Right.
We should prioritize these repairs first. The mortar in this corner is deteriorating rapidly.
And the flashing on the archway looks compromised as well.
Make sure you get the edges on that primer coat. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Send up another stack of tiles right away. We need more mortar over here.
Oh.
All right, I'm bringing the bucket now. Did you check the tiles on the other side yet? Make sure that eave is perfectly straight. I'm checking the alignment now. Pass me the level. Here you go.
Pass me another one of those curved tiles. Apply the mortar first, gently on the edge. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the others.
Keep the glide smooth, and we need to blend this section seamlessly with the aged texture. Right, making sure the plaster matches the stone. This section here sounds hollow. Yeah, we'll need to replaster this whole area. Yeah. I've marked the cracks on the lower wall already.
Secure this one. How's the wiring on the hidden lighting coming along?
Yeah, almost done.
All right, let's power it up and see the transformation.
Be careful around these barrels. We should start dusting from this corner.
Okay, I'm setting up the vacuum now.
All right, that's the last stone set. Yeah. Looks perfect. Let's get these tools cleared away.